Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, clock, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.